Hey guys, this is Shobit and you are watching me on my channel Shobro Tech. Guys, in this video, let's see a quick unboxing and review of this Ambren brand wireless speaker. So basically, it's a party portable Bluetooth speaker. So as I have told you in my previous video, and its name is FireBoom. So I have told you in my previous video that Ambren is a brand which makes speaker, wired headphones, and also the wired earphones, wireless earphones for professional use and for the studio recordings. So this speaker I bought from a local shop present in my city. So if you are a viewer from my city, then you can definitely check this speaker from the address given in the description box. Also, this speaker is available over Amazon. So you can also check this, drop the link in the description box. So I will tell you one thing, that this speaker is somewhat different than others. So stay tuned with this video. Without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, now let us see a quick unboxing of this Bluetooth speaker. So as you can see on the top of the box, the branding is given Ambren, and also the name of the speaker is given, the model name is given, which is FireBoom. Now next to it, it is given that IPX7 waterproof, so which is a very good thing. So now you can see the other specification is given. So this is what I was saying to you, this is special thing I will tell you in further in this video. Now 2-in-1, I will tell you more about this. Bluetooth 4.2, 8 hours playing time, and waterproof IPX7. Also the photo of this speaker is given. Now you can see more things are given over this box. You can see the Bluetooth version 4.2, 20 watt stereo output. So it's a very good feature, which is a stereo sound. Now IPX7 waterproof, now up to 8 hour playtime, true wireless feature, twist to detach. Now this speaker can be detached into two. I am saying that this speaker, one speaker can be split into two, and you can just play them individually, or they become like the that card in Clash Royale, that is Golem. Then when the life of one Golem get destroyed, then they splits into two Golem. Now so similarly in this speaker also, this gets split into two. Now you can see the overview how you can split and how you can join is given. So now here the customer service, important marketing, all is given, and here the pricing is given. So made in PRC, that I've told you earlier also, it's a Korean company. So the actual price of this earphone is 4999, which is 5000, but I will tell you in further in this what is the actual price. And here is the important thing, which is Red Dot Award 2019 winner. So this speaker is a Red Dot winner company. So actually what's the Red Dot Award is the best companies which make professional speakers and all that, which their sound is very good, they got this award. So the branding is given here. So let us just quickly open this box. Now in this box you can see the first hashtag stay connected is written over it. Now on here the branding is the name is given, the FireBoom. Now let us open this quickly, and just you get a foam, black foam here. So it's a very premium packaging, I would say the premium packaging is given. And also let me just take out this main speaker. So you can see it's quite heavy. Now you get here you get some of I would say the user manual, and some inside the box you get this twin cable, means you can charge both at one time. As I have told you earlier, that gets split into two. So I will just explain it more in further. So and here's the so you can see the user manual is given. So it's the name is given FireBoom, and IPX on all the specification and how to use this is given. Actually you can also attend calls with this. It do have a integrated microphone. You will not get anything other than this. So let me just focus over this. I would say the speaker. So you can see the packaging is very good. I would say it's a starch paper, so which is recyclable, so it's not a plastic. So you can see the texture of this speaker is very premium. So as you can see, the Ambren branding is given. You can see Ambren branding is given, and also plus minus sign is given, and over this lustrous touch is given, and also the branding membrane is given, and here's the two power buttons and two charging ports, and which is a special thing in this speaker. I have not seen any other speaker like this which has two power buttons. So you just have to on, if you want to on one speaker, then you can only use one speaker. So I will, let me just show you how to detach this speaker. So just you have to just take out this speaker from this rubber band. So you can see it's a very good quality plastic with rubber. Now as you can see this, you can see there is a split type of thing is there. So you just have to twist it like this. Now it is now two speakers, individual speakers. Now you can use this speaker by putting it one corner and putting this in one corner, or even you can use it individually. Means I can use one device with this speaker and I can use other device with this speaker. Now let me just on this speaker and let you know how the this speaker get turned on. Now you have to just press this for 3. You can hear that sound. So the sound indicates that it's power on. Now you can see the, here's the USB type B charging. So it's more dense because of the IPX7. So which all now it's blinking. Now you have to on the other speaker also. Now similar sound will come from this also. So the grill of this speaker, the grill of the speaker is very good. It's of metal, and also this is of a metal. Now it's blinking means it is not connected. Only one speaker light will blink like this is, oh, now you can see the actual power on off button is given. So power on button is blinking, so that's mean it is not connected with any device. So you can see, let me just let us so this was the unboxing of this speaker. Let me just do review and let me just test the sound quality of this speaker. Now guys, let us see a quick review of this Fireboom speaker. But before that, I would like to share with you that how you can connect this speaker and how you have to turn on this speaker. By the way, you can also read its user manual, but in this video I will tell you full procedure. Now first of all, what you have to do, just you have to press this one, the first power button. You can press any, but you just have to hold it for 3 seconds. So this type of sound will come, and then you have to just press the another one, the second. Now it is not paired with my phone. Remember, whenever you want to connect this speaker to your phone, then you just have to unpair this from your phone. Now let me just screen share, and you can see that this Fireboom mark is there. So you just have to click on that mark, and just it is saying that pairing, which means that it is in, now you can see the light is blinking like this, so it means that it is in pairing mode. Now it is written that you pair with Fireboom, so just you have to press pair, and then it will just got paired with your phone. Now you can see that it is written on this. You can see here here the screen is coming, and here it is written that it is connected. So now you can just, when it got connected, then both the light just will glow continuously like this. And just when you just, let me just play some NCS music. So just I will just play quickly NCS music, so that you can just justify what is the actual sound quality which you will get with this speaker. And just I will also show you that how you can split and use this speaker. Now I know that it's not fair because the sound is recorded via this mic, and then you are listening with your device or your earphone or etc. But you will get an estimation about the sound quality of this. Let me just play a NCS Spectre of Alan Voco. So just NCS Spectre. So just I will play. Actually it goes quite loud, so just I will just put this volume below. You can see. I will just increase the volume. So as you can see, the sound is very loud, and also the bass of this speaker, I would say it is very good. Now the song is paused. As you can see, this boat loud will blink, but when I play this song, this will just show this type of RGB effect. So I will just change the track so that you can listen the another music. Play another NCS song, and I will show you that, and you can just justify how much good the audio quality is. Now I will just play the NCS Faded, the no copyright song that is of Alan Walker, the Faded. Now you can see. And you can adjust its volume. There are two volume buttons. I have removed this band so that I will show you and later in this video how to just split this speaker into two. So just you have this two button. If you want to turn on the volume, you can just, and also if you just press it for 2 seconds, then it will change the track also. So now I will just play again the song. You can see, you can also justify, or you can just estimate how much good the sound quality is. Now I will show you how to split this speaker into two. Now you just have to first of all remove this band, and then you just have to hold it and just slightly split it like this. And now you can see, let me just tell you more compatibly. Now you can see it's now two. Now you can just put one speaker at one corner of your room and another corner, and it is very good if you are just organizing a party at your home. Then it's a very portable Bluetooth speaker I have ever seen. I have also tested a Mivi Roam speaker and also the Boat Stone, but I have not done their review. So do let me in comment section if you want me to review them also. So but I think this is much better than those two, because their output was 5 watt but their output is 20 watt. And I will tell you the price of this speaker. The price of this speaker, if you just buy from the address given in the description box, the actual price is 5,000. But if you want to buy this from the address given in the description box, then the actual price is 3,500 rupees. So if you want to buy this speaker, then you can definitely check the address given in the description box. Now I will just show you how much good the bass of this speaker is. Now I will put this remote. This is basically a remote which controls the video pause and play. So I will just show you how much good the bass is. Now this membrane is for bass, which gives the bass for the whole speaker. Now even I have detached this speaker, though I have splitted this speaker, and I will put them separately. Now I'll just put this one by one on each. Now you can see. You can see how much good the bass is. So you can just identify how much the powerful the bass of this earphone is. I have not seen this much of bass. I have seen this much of bass in Mivi Roam, but I haven't seen this much of bass in any other speaker. And though they are coming in a budget of 3,500, because Embrain is a professional brand, so they make speaker very good. So the bass of this speaker is very fabulous. Also the vocals, I cannot play a vocalist song, or because they are not NCS song, it means the no copyright song, they are the copyrighted song. So if I will play in this video that those song, then I will surely get a copyright strike. So I will not supposed to I'm not supposed to play any vocalist song, but I will tell you from my aspect. I've listened many vocal song from this. So the vocals of this earphone is very fabulous. Even if you just raise the volume of this speaker to 100%, the vocal will not disintegrate. And also, but I would say the highs and lows of this earphone is not that much good. So for the highs and lows, I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10. And for the bass, I will give them simply 10. And for the vocals, I will give them simply 10 out of 10 for the vocals, and for the bass, I will give them simply 10 out of 10. For the highs and lows, I have cutted some of the point because the highs and lows were not that much good. So I have cutted half point. So I will give them simply 9.5 out of 10 in terms of highs and lows. So now the thing comes, is it worth to buy this speaker? So I will tell you one thing, in this budget of 3500, and if you just check over Amazon the price of Mivi Roam, which have a output of 5 watt, these have a output of 20 watt, but if you just check their price, the Mivi Roam, I would say its price was 2000 something, but you get this speaker of 20 watt with many more feature than them in just 3500 rupees. And also one thing I want to share with you, that if you this splitted speaker, you can just also just what you can do, you can use this piece with this mobile, and this piece you can use with another mobile. So that's a very good, which I feel the good feature with this speaker. Also this have a integrated mic, so I will just show you the sound recorded from a integrated mic. So the integrated mic, you can also take calls from this via this speaker. So that's a very good feature, I would say, in this budget of 3500. So if you want this speaker, then you can definitely check the address given in the description box. So now guys, the sound which you are listening is being recorded from integrated mic present in this speaker. So you can just identify, or you can just make an approximation that how much good the mic quality of this speaker is. So hello, 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 hello. So you can see the integrated mic has a good, I would say, a good noise cancellation, and also you can just attend Zoom calls or any function calls, or if you are organizing any Zoom function over the Zoom, then you can definitely use this speaker. So this was the review. That's it for now. If you like this video, then hit that like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel Shobro Tech. So this is Shobit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind, take care, Jai Bharat.